I find those lights to be actually exceptionally amazing because I use this as my photo studio, and a lot of times I need to have different backgrounds to take pictures. So over here you can press on the remote and you can change the light just by pressing on it. And there is nothing more cool than exceptionally doing that when you're doing a photo shoot or anything else for that matter. So having the remote control and being able to switch the lights, different colors, with just pressing one button is really awesome because we get all the different effects, and then we have the whole screen here, the backdrop being lit up by different lights. It makes it really awesome. And you can make it darker or lighter as well. So it's really an added benefit to that. You also go ahead and press on the color wheel here, and what it does, it just cycles through all the different lights to make a kaleidoscope show, which is also very cool. And that is a very interesting effect altogether. So when you buy this, you have and you get two different remotes and you have a set of lights. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is the normal color that you can set this on to, and you can see over here the actual box that comes with this and the remote, and we have two pairs of those remote that are available. Now when it comes to the actual light here, let's take a look at it at work, which is here is the light, and we can switch the color code really simple by just pressing on the remote, and it will change to whatever we actually want. What makes it very unique and interesting is that it makes it look really cool. You can actually use it for a wide variety of different purposes, especially if you need something to light up the room in your basement, have this awesome light show inside here, and make it look different as well. So no more boring lights. Now we have an actual kaleidoscope of different lights, and we can turn it around and switch the lights around by just pressing a button. And this is a really interesting investment as well. You can put this in your closet, you can put it in your bathroom, and so on. It just makes the lights no more boring. It is awesome and fun.